Hello. I wanted to show you the benefit of this file that I created up here, which is also this executable here. I'm not going to recompile it. It works. I'm going to post the code at the end of this, and I'm going to make a large video of this so you can see the code as it scrolls by. Um, so first, I'm going to show you where I had left off. And the only way to do that is by going into this video and opening it and going near the end of it, which was back here.
It's just
somewhere.
web browser. I'll post the
This
this is I'll post the code browser. Makes it work the way I'll load this video.
That's it right there.
I thought
So this is where I left off, page 53, and it's right there, 3021. So now I'm going to run it again. Notice the date is, April 6th, 2025. Today is April 7th, 2025. So that's something I wanted to show you. Now I'll go ahead and I'll run this again, and it's going to create a new one. I got to get the path. Now remember, there's only files inside this. This is the target folder. There's a lot of folders in here. No files, just folders. Inside each folder is files. That's the structure that's required for this to work. If it's not like that, you'll have some issues. Basically, it's a target folder, then folders inside the target folder. Inside those folders, you can have files. And that fast, it linked every video inside all of these. That fast. You can see there's videos in here. Each one of these has videos. It's linked in that fast. It linked all of those. I can actually close this now. I'll go ahead and close both, and I'll just reopen that again. This is the file, just folder it just created. Now, when it created this folder, it created all these files inside that folder. Each one of these is an HTML page. So basically, what I'm saying is, you would have to create, the link, and then right here you'd have to clean the link to the page, and then the link to the videos. One by one, you'd have to do this if you don't have something that does this. And there's multiple pages. I'm all the way down to 53 here too, and they're all different. They have different links. Each one has different links. Like those are the same, but these are different. These are different. These links are different. See the file names. So this executable created all of this you see here, and it works. And it created style sheets. So it created the main HTML, which is this one, and it's all here. It was that fast. It's created, and here's where I left off, right there. So now I'm down to here instead of right there. That's where I left off, and this is today. So this is the new one, and that's how fast it is. That's how useful it is. If you need to update, you do a whole bunch of stuff, and you have to update. Just run it again, and it updates for you, and it's pretty easy. But I thought that was useful. Anyway, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to get this. I'm going to let you see the whole thing, the large video. One other thing I want to show you is this right here. This is how you can go ahead and keep everything you have here and just put it in its own personal folder. So this right here, we'll just rename it as videos, and I'll move it into here. And then I have to create a shortcut, and I'll name the shortcut as videos, like that, and I can move it out here. And now this one is linked directly to those. See, it shows the last one that was there. All of them are here, and they work. You can see them.
I know you're watching.
Watch. Look, it even has this one. Yeah. Look at that. That's 2019. Look here. He wants to get away with what he's done. That's why they stole my video. Intel Corporation stole my video because I got the license plate of the guy with the black Honda that was stalking me from Dallas. to Ardmore, and then they had me arrested in Ardmore. And it was 2022. What was it? April 9th, 2022. I had his license plate in his face, and that's one of the reasons he didn't want to be seen. They wanted that video evidence, and they stole it. They stole my phone, everything. Anyway, look, see, this is a different page, and this is a different page. I don't want this video to go too long. And these work. These work. So I'll go ahead and I'll make this as a large so you can see from top to bottom. So here's the top, and I'll just go through it slowly. So when you make copies of this, it's going to be pictures that flash, so you can just make still images. Just make sure it matches this at the end of it, and it should work. One thing you need to remember: colons, semicolons, anything, it has to be exact. It has to be exact, or it won't work. I mean, there are certain things that you don't care about, but you might as well go ahead and make it exact, unless you know how to write software yourself, and you haven't done it before, or you've done it before, and you know what some of the stuff is. But like some people don't know that these are just comments. You can get rid of that; it doesn't matter. But these kind of things, brackets, this, anything like that, it has to be there. It has to be there, or it won't work. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to make some pictures of this and put them at the end of the video. So have a good day.